as you're going through this hero journey due to corona crisis, the dragons that could gulp you down are boredom, sense of dread, anxious story making, physical manifestation of the stress, lack of motivation. The wisdom that you would need, you will find a lot of tools, but one thing always make sure accompanies anything else you practice is the wisdom of compassion and self-compassion. You will need many swords, but one I would like to focus on is that of self discovery and answer three questions in that. One is, what are my fears? Second is, why are my fears? What are the hidden and obvious traumas? And the third is, what do I have now which can help me to overcome these fears? If you want to know the details, then follow my channel to meditate and hero journey on it.